The ultimate survival tool, Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Review, rugged GPS smartwatch for bushcraft adventures. Every bushcrafter knows that the right gear can be the difference between a successful adventure and a dangerous situation. And in the world of survival, technology plays a crucial role in making sure we stay safe, connected, and prepared. Today, we're talking about a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts, the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar GPS smartwatch. This rugged piece of tech doesn't just tell the time. It's packed with features designed specifically for those who thrive in the wilderness. From built-in navigation to solar charging and even a flashlight, the Instinct 2X Solar is a tool that could help save your life. Stick around to find out why this rugged smartwatch should be at the top of your gear list for your next bushcraft adventure. Let's start with what matters most for the bushcrafter: durability. If your gear isn't tough enough to withstand the elements, it's not worth carrying. With the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar, durability is built into its very design. It's tough, reliable, and ready for anything. Design and durability. When you're out in the wild, your gear needs to hold up against all kinds of conditions. The Garmin Instinct 2X Solar is built to last. It features a fiber-reinforced polymer case designed to handle the stress of daily use in rough conditions. Whether you're hiking through a dense forest, scrambling up rocks, or navigating in harsh weather, this watch is up for the challenge. It's not just tough, it's military-grade tough. The Garmin Instinct 2X Solar meets the U.S. military standard 810 for thermal, shock, and water resistance. It can handle extreme temperatures, drops, and even being submerged underwater. And speaking of water, the watch is water-rated to 100 meters, making it perfect for water-based activities like kayaking, fishing, or even swimming. Asterisk. So whether you're in a downpour, hiking through a snowstorm, or crossing a river, you can trust that your Garmin Instinct 2X Solar will keep ticking. And that's a huge reassurance when you're deep in the backcountry and far from help. I know what you're thinking. Do I really need another piece of gear? Let me tell you, this isn't just any watch. The Garmin Instinct 2X Solar is designed for the toughest environments and is built to last. It combines the ruggedness of military-grade durability with cutting-edge GPS technology, so you'll never get lost again. Plus, the solar charging feature means you don't have to worry about running out of battery when you're deep in the wild. You're getting a built-in flashlight, altitude tracking, and weather monitoring, all packed into one reliable smartwatch. I get it, it's an investment, but think of it as peace of mind during your outdoor adventures, knowing you have the best tools at your fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned bushcrafter or someone who just loves exploring, this watch will pay for itself in safety and convenience. Don't wait until it's too late to upgrade your gear. The link to get your Garmin Instinct 2X Solar is right there in the comments. Trust me, this is the gear you won't want to go without. Get yours today and experience the power of technology in the wilderness. GPS and multi-band GNSS. Now, let's talk about one of the most important features for any outdoor adventurer: navigation. Getting lost in the wilderness is a real risk, and having a reliable GPS device is key to staying safe. That's where the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar shines. It comes equipped with multi-band GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System, giving you access to multiple satellite systems like GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and more. What does this mean for you? Precision. The multi-band GNSS technology ensures that no matter where you are, whether deep in a dense forest, climbing a mountain, or navigating a remote canyon, your location will be pinpointed with remarkable accuracy. Even when you're surrounded by challenging terrain, the Instinct 2X Solar's navigation system gives you the confidence you need to keep moving forward. In areas where traditional GPS systems struggle, the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar's multi-band GNSS technology uses multiple frequencies from various satellite systems, so it can lock onto a signal more accurately. This means fewer missed turns, more precise tracking, and less chance of getting lost, a crucial feature for those of us who push our limits in the great outdoors. With the Instinct 2X Solar, you'll have real-time elevation tracking and accurate weather data at your fingertips. It's more than just a GPS. It's a complete navigation system designed to guide you safely on your journey. Solar charging capability. One of the standout features of the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar is its solar charging capability. Imagine this. You're deep in the wilderness, miles from civilization, and you've been using your GPS and other features all day. Normally, you'd be worrying about running out of battery, but not with this watch. Thanks to the solar charging capability, the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar can keep itself powered as long as you're out in the sun. The built-in solar panel absorbs sunlight and converts it into energy, keeping your watch running for days, and in some cases, even weeks, without needing to plug it into a charger. This is a game changer for bushcrafters and survivalists who rely on their gear but don't always have access to electricity. Even on overcast days or in shaded areas, the watch continues to charge, though at a slower rate. The solar panel is efficient enough to extend the battery life, so you can focus on your adventure without the constant worry of running out of juice. This feature is an absolute lifesaver when you're in the middle of nowhere and your survival depends on your gear. Let's talk about another feature that could make all the difference in a survival situation: the built-in flashlight. It's easy to overlook, but when you're out in the wild, having a reliable light source can be a lifesaver. The Garmin Instinct 2X Solar features a powerful LED flashlight built directly into the watch. The flashlight is bright enough to help you find your way in the dark, set up camp, or even signal for help in an emergency. It has several modes, including a strobe function, which can be used for signaling if you're in a tough spot. This means you'll always have a light source within reach, and that's a major advantage when the sun goes down or if you find yourself in low light conditions. The strobe function could be especially useful if you're in a distress situation. It can draw attention and help rescuers locate you, which is crucial when you're lost or in an emergency. This feature alone is a huge advantage for anyone who spends time in remote areas. Beyond the basic functionality, the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar comes with a host of additional features that can really elevate your outdoor experience. It has built-in ABC sensors, an altimeter, barometer, and compass. These are critical tools for anyone who relies on their navigation skills. With the altimeter, you can track your elevation, perfect for keeping tabs on how high you've climbed or determining your altitude when navigating mountainous terrain. The barometer helps you monitor weather changes by measuring air pressure, which can give you an early warning if a storm is coming. And the compass? It's an old-school tool that never goes out of style, helping you stay oriented when the trail isn't clear. Along with these features, the watch also tracks your heart rate, stress levels, and sleep. When you're pushing yourself hard in the wilderness, it's important to listen to your body. This watch helps you monitor your health so you can avoid overexertion and fatigue. In the end, the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar is more than just a smartwatch. It's a tool built for the serious outdoor enthusiast, designed to keep you safe, informed, and prepared for anything nature throws your way. Whether you're hiking, climbing, fishing, or even just exploring the backcountry, this watch offers the kind of rugged reliability and advanced features that could make all the difference. So if you're looking to level up your outdoor game, make sure you check out the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar. It's tough, it's reliable, and it's the ultimate companion for bushcraft adventures. Stay safe, stay prepared, and never stop exploring.